Every 4 seconds, a person is diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease, the most common cause of dementia, affecting more than 40 million people worldwide, and researchers have just to find a cure. Dr. Eloise Alzheimer, a German psychiatrist, first described the symptoms in 1901 when he noticed a pattern in a hospital with certain problems that include difficulty sleeping, memory problems, drastic mood swings, and increasing confusion. When the patient died, Alzheimer was able to perform an autopsy and prove his idea that perhaps her symptoms were due to irregularities in brain structure. What he discovered under the microscope were visible differences in brain tissue in the form of misfolded proteins called senile plaques and neurofibrillary tangles. These plaques and tangles are together to destroy the structure of the brain. Plaques appear when another protein in the fatty membrane surrounding the nerve cells is separated by a particular enzyme resulting in beta amyloid. Proteins that are sticky and tend to clump together. These deposits are formed what we know as senile plaques that block signals and therefore communication between cells and also trigger autoimmune reactions that destroy damaged nerve cells in Alzheimer's disease. The tangles are formed from a protein known as tau. Neurons in the brain are formed by a network of branches that act as highway for food molecules. Among other things, normally food molecules, among other things, normally the tau protein ensures that these branches are straight to allow the molecules to circulate freely. However, with Alzheimer's disease, the protein is reduced to strands or tangles that cause the destruction of the brains and prevent nutrients from reaching the nerve cells, and this causes their death. The destructive blending of plaques and tangles begins in an area known as the hippocampus, which is responsible for forming memories. So, short term memory loss is usually the first symptom of Alzheimer's disease. The proteins progressively invade other parts of the brain, creating particular changes that indicate different stages of the disease. In the front part of the brain, the proteins destroy the ability to process logical thoughts. They then move to the area that controls emotion, which causes erratic mood swings. In the upper part of the brain, they cause paranoia and hallucinations. When they reach the back of the brain, the plaques and tangles are together to raise the deepest memories from the mind. Finally, the control center that directs heart rate and circulation succumb as well and cause death. The immensely destructive nature of this disease has motivated many researchers to find a cure, but they are currently focused on slowing its progression.
Un tratamiento temporal ayuda a reducir la destrucción de acetilcolina, un importante neurotransmisor del cerebro que disminuye en los pacientes de